Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to apply the color scale on the basic value that just you given on the columns or rows. You can just create a color value with applying by the color scale on the values that you have been given on your Google Sheet. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to color scale the value using a conditional formatting option on your Google Sheet. So it's simple actually. You can see the value here. So I'm just going to add more value. For an example, I've choose this and just going to change to as 5020. So actually here the bar formula is processed. So I just close this. So now you just need to select the value that you just need to make a color scale. Now click on this format option and go to conditional formatting here, and you will see a two option on the side, single color or color scale. So just click on this color scale option, which you can see the format actually have a default preview. You can just change the color scale here. You can see a lot of different colors has been given here. You can just change to any color that you want. So you can make a single color which process here from the minimum value to maximum value, and you can just click on this custom scale option to make a midpoint and max point like that. So this is how you just create, you can just create from white to green or green to white, or the same colors has been given here. And if you just need a lot of color, you can just use this also. And it is how it's working on, and this is how it's going to happen with the specific value that you have been entered on the sheets on your Google Sheet. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.